Quad Nation. So it is 7:34 time. 7:34 big bore with the high compression 12.5 to 1 CP piston, which is the limit for pump gas, 93 octane. Last time in the stock form, stock gearing, but with 19 tires instead of 20s, so it's geared a little bit lower. With the exception of that, the big 700 Big 3 did 80 miles an hour at, I believe, 7,800 RPMs. Now we got the 734 with 12 horsepower, 12 more peak horsepower, but about 30 more horsepower at red line. So let's see if we can do 90 something miles an hour. Here we go. This is stock form. On 3, 2, 1. Full send, baby. Oh, hell, this thing pulls. 83, 84. 85, 86. Whoa, guys, 86 miles an hour. Whoa. Oh, this thing's going well over 90. Oh, you guys know this thing only hit 80 in the stock form with the Big 3. Oh, 6 miles an hour. That is, whoa. Wait until I put the 15 tooth sprocket on and then the smaller 36 rear sprocket. Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh man, this is, and that's with about a 12 mile an hour crosswind. Holy. Get it, little bro. Oh my God, that dirt bike's fast. Good job, little bro. God, that sounds good. Getting ready for round 2, boys. We got the 15 tooth sprocket attached. He thinks I'm talking to him. Get it, boy. Oh yeah. Let's wait for the bus. I don't want to be a bug.